Have you ever felt stuck, like you're not making any progress? We all have those moments. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your potential lies in the smallest of actions? It's true, small changes, repeated consistently over time, can lead to remarkable results. This isn't about overnight miracles, it's about the compounding effect of daily habits. Just like climbing a mountain, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. By focusing on tiny gains, you can achieve extraordinary transformations in any area of your life. Think of your habits as the building blocks of your life. Each positive habit, no matter how small, is like laying a brick in the foundation of your success. Over time, these bricks add up, creating a strong and sturdy structure. Start by identifying 1 or 2 small habits you want to develop. Maybe it's drinking more water each day, reading for 15 minutes before bed, or practicing gratitude. The key is to make these habits easy to implement and track your progress. Consistency is crucial. When you repeat a habit day after day, it becomes ingrained in your routine. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. Just get back on track as soon as possible. Countless individuals have experienced incredible transformations through the power of small changes. Consider the story of Jerry Conwell, a man who lost over 100 pounds by simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Another inspiring example is J.K. Rowling, author of the Harry Potter series. She faced numerous rejections before finding a publisher, but she never gave up on her dream of becoming a writer. These stories highlight the importance of perseverance and the transformative power of small, consistent actions. No matter where you are in your journey, remember that it's never too late to start building the life you desire. The most important ingredient in this journey is your mindset. You need to believe that small changes can make a big difference. When you shift your focus from overwhelming goals to manageable habits, you empower yourself to take action. Embrace the idea that progress is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your small victories along the way. And remember, even if you don't see immediate results, every step you take is moving you closer to your goals.